Alright, so this is my latitude and longitude coordinator. So basically, there's a form where you input a latitude. So we'll do Detroit first, for example. And latitude is north and south. And then longitude is west and east. So we copy and paste that into the inputs. And then submit. As you can see, the map shows up. And then a marker appears on where you depending on what you input in for the latitude and longitude. And as you can see, it's right on Detroit. And then it also adds it to a database and reads it. And you can also delete it from the database. And then you have to again enter in another one. So we'll do Orlando, for example. Copy and paste it. And then we'll submit it, and then there you go. As you can see, it is marked on Orlando. You can also do you can do anywhere in the world. It doesn't just have to be in the United States. So anywhere that has a latitude or longitude will work. So go ahead and submit that, and as you can see, it goes into Moscow, Russia. Adds it to the database. And there it is. And like I said, you can delete it and everything. So I tried doing it in with MVC, but as you can see, I got an error saying window init map is not a function, and I'll get to that in a second. But without MVC, it was really easy. There's the form right there, and this is the PHP for it. And right here, I'm grabbing whatever the user inputted, and then right here, I'm turning it into a float, and then I'm connecting to the database and inputting whatever the user inputted. And then this is JavaScript right here, so it took me a while to figure out how to use JavaScript with PHP, but I finally figured it out. And basically this function right here is from the Google API, and this function is what actually makes the map. So I made a variable with where the longitude and latitude will be for the marker, and then this is just for the center of the map, so what's centered in the zoom level, and then this var marker is what uh, displays the marker. So then after we do that, after we make the map and the marker, uh, we read the data from the database, and then that's what this is right here. And then we also we can, if they click this link to delete it, this is the code that deletes it. Now the issue that I had with doing MVC is it kept saying that init map is not a function, which is Google API's method that you have to use to make the map, so nothing shows up, and then it can't work without it. So yeah, I'll show you. I'll also submit this my MVC so you can see that I at least tried. But let me open this up for you. So this is my controller, and this is for the home page. It just shows the form and all that, and then once they submit it, it takes you to this controller right here, which is map, and that's what I tried doing to show the map, but I don't know why it's saying that it's not a function. It doesn't make sense. But I'll submit it so you can see. So yeah, I'll just show you one more time it working. So thank you for watching.